Hi, I'm Jenny, and today I will teach you how to use the FranklinPlanner app. This is the FranklinPlanner app for iPhone. When you open the application, you will see the quote of the day, and if you swipe, you can view the app menu, which is Task, Schedule, Note, Calendar, Master Task, Mission, Role, Weekly Compass, Search, and Settings. From the home screen, you can access the daily page by clicking on Task, and you can access Task and switch to Schedule and Note by swiping. You can return to Task. You can change the date of the daily page by swiping the date region in the top corner to go into the future or past. To select a date that's further in the future or past, long tap the date region and manually select the month, day, and year. You can see the date in the top corner. To return to today, click on the date region. You can create a new task by selecting the task icon on the main menu and clicking in an empty space. You can enter your task in the text field and select a priority level from A0 to C2. Set a status and set a repetition, either daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. You can arrange the tasks in the task window by either clicking on the title bar or by selecting this icon and choosing to arrange by date created, status, priority level, and alphabetical order. You can add events to your schedule by selecting the schedule icon in the main menu and clicking in open space. Here, you can input the name of your event, select a start and end time, select the grouping, select an alarm, designate a repetition, or sync with a Google Calendar. You can also sync with the Google Calendar by selecting this first icon in the top menu and selecting which calendar you would like to sync with. You can change the view of the schedule as either timetable or by selecting this icon, and you can switch to list view. To create a new note, you can swipe from the schedule window to access the note window and click an empty space and enter your note in the text field. Here you can designate a category or add and delete categories by selecting Category Management. To add. You can also add a location and media, either 3 photos or 1 movie. You can change the view of the note page either by viewing today's notes, all notes by time, or by category. You can access your monthly calendar by switching to the Month tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can view each day's schedule and tasks. To add a new task to a new day, click on the day and select the Create New icon at the top. You can create a new task or schedule. To change the view of the calendar, you can click the calendar view icon and either select calendar view, weekly view, or list view. To view a day in daily plan, select the day and switch back to the daily plan tab. You can create a new master task by selecting the master task tab at the bottom of the screen and clicking in an empty space. Enter your task here. If you long tap the master task, you can move it to task, schedule, note, or share. Once you move a master task to task, you can select a priority level, a status, and a repetition. Once you move a master task to task, it is deleted from master task. You can add a new mission statement by selecting the mission icon in the main menu and clicking in an empty space, and enter the mission in the text field. To view your mission statement as the first screen when you open the application, go to the main menu, Settings, Start Page, and Start Page of App, and select Mission. If you have more than one mission, you can choose which one you want to show as the default mission when opening the application. To view the mission statement, go to the main menu and swipe. You can copy a task to schedule and note by selecting the task icon, long tapping a task, and copying it to schedule. You can select a start time and end time, a group, alarm, repetition, and calendar sync. You can also copy a schedule to note by long tapping the schedule and selecting note. Here you can also select category, location, and attach files. You can move incomplete tasks from the past week to today by selecting this first icon and choosing the tasks that you would like to move to today. You can see from the past dates the incomplete tasks that have been moved to today now have the forward icon. You can search through all of your tasks, schedules, and notes by selecting the search icon in the main menu and entering your keyword. You can filter your results by time frame, either all, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year, or you can search by category, either all, task, schedule, or note. Select the event you are looking for, and you can edit in this window. You can access Weekly Compass and Role from the main menu. If you select the role icon, you can add different roles that you fulfill in your life. To add a new one, click in the empty space and add a role. Then from the main menu, click the Weekly Compass icon. In Weekly Compass, there are two components: Sharpen the Saw, which facilitates personal growth. You can input different goals for each of the 4 components. You have to input at least one in one of the components. The other section of Weekly Compass is Roll and Big Rocks. which allows you to add goals for each of the roles that you fulfill. You can access the weekly status quick view from tasks by selecting the blue arrow in the top corner. And you can also long tap and drag big rocks to your tasks. Also, you can long tap and drag sharpen the saw components to your notes. Big rocks. You can back up and restore data by selecting the settings icon in the main menu and backup restore. If it's your first time backing up data, you have to apply for a key and password. Once you've done so, you can select backup and back up to 3 data. If you need to save a 4th one, you can overwrite any of the 3 and save. You can also restore any of the 3 backup data. If you use the trial version of this application, you can back up your data, and then once you've purchased the full version, you can restore your backed up data.